I'm Howard Carter. I run the Smokey Carter based in Manchester, and we produce world-inspired barbecue rubs and sauces. Began the Smokey Carter in 2013, and it was basically just a hobby, but it kind of grew out of control, and before I knew it, 5 years on, it's kind of where it is today. I've always been a fan of cooking. You can always find me barbecuing in the summer or even in winter as well. Planning on doing a suckling pig this Christmas. I think the first thing that I sold back in late 2013 was like 50 grams of barbecue rub. Now we have 13 barbecue rubs and 13 different sauces.
It got busier and busier, and the next thing I know, I'm being hauled out of bed on a Sunday morning, being taken to an artisan food market to sell his product, and the feedback that you get from people is just amazing.
I think our mission is to get our products into pretty much everyone's kitchens, because I think a lot of people are afraid of cooking, and our rubs, seasonings are good for stir fries, a lot of uses really, and it just adds flavour quickly.
Our business was born from a love of travel, international cuisine and great food.
We've tried and source the best ingredients we can, you know, from various different places, even things from Mexico, chilies and oregano and things like that. We've got bedrooms full of jars and sauces and spices. At the minute we're in 30 independent butchers, farm shops. We'd kind of like to see that grow. I started selling on eBay just because it was easy to list products, the fees were low and it was no risk.
eBay is definitely the home of the small independent artisan business. It is a fantastic platform for places to start, for people to launch their businesses.
eBay opens you up to basically a global market. I get enquiries from Russia, Thailand. Yeah, it's quite amazing, you know, how many fans eBay has, you know, worldwide really.
Keep updated on awards news as well as tips to grow your business. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.